then you have F equal to P plus I, and then you derive this formula is equal to F P1 plus RT. So there are still. So when you say accumulation, what do you mean by accumulation? How do you understand what is accumulation? Who can define accumulation or accumulate? Anong ibig sabihin? To make it short in our engineering term. What is accumulation? Diba? In Tagalog, when you say accumulate, pinag-ipunan mo, tapos yung total. So to make it short, in English, accumulation is the total amount. So accumulation is the total amount. Okay? This is the simple way of understanding accumulation. For example, number 1, accumulate 20,000 pesos at 5% in 2 years. Okay. So accumulate 20,000 pesos at 5% in 2 years. So meaning you left your P equal to 20,000, and then your rate will be equal to 0.05 per year, and then your time is 2 years. Okay? You just substitute. Accumulate, you need to say F, the total amount. So F is just simple to the third formula, which is derived P1 plus RT. So F now will be equal to 20,000, okay, multiplied by 1, ang rate is 0.05 times 2, okay. Your answer will be equal to what? What is 0.02, 0.05 times? Okay, 0.05 is 0.1. Okay? So you left now, the total answer when you multiply 0.05 times 2 plus 1 equal. Okay? Times 20,000. So you will have 22,000. Okay? To make it short, 0.05 times 2 is 0.1 plus 1 is 1.1 times 20,000, it is 22,000. So this is what we call as the total amount or the accumulation amount or accumulated amount. Okay? Okay?